Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today we're about to unveil the secret in making the best baked chicken recipe ever. Stay tuned. Now let's begin by preparing our star ingredient. This is the chicken right here. All right, a whole chicken. You're going to need a whole chicken. All right, so we're going to remove all this extra fat. Go ahead and flip it over. After you flip them over, you're gonna need one of these kitchen scissors or kitchen shear, all right? Go ahead and remove the backbone. All right, so now we're gonna rinse this off real quick with some lime or vinegar, whatever you have at home that can clean your chicken. We're gonna use that, add some water, rinse it off real quick, and then we're gonna add our seasoning. And you wanna bake your chicken for about 1 hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. All right guys, so now we're gonna mix our seasoning together, combine all the ingredients, and then toss it in the oven. These are your dry ingredients right here, guys. So here I have some onion powder, sage, all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of thyme leaf, cayenne pepper, paprika, chicken seasoning, and some lemon pepper seasoning. Now we're gonna combine all these lovely ingredients together. All right, mix it up. And I'll make sure to have the correct measurement in the description of the video, guys. All right, now it's looking good. And back to the star of the show, the main ingredient, our chicken. All right, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, and this is gonna allow our seasoning to soak right into the chicken, all right? So you just wanna drizzle a little bit of oil, not too much. Now you wanna rub it in. Just like that. And then we're gonna add our dry rub. And you wanna make sure you flip it over and season the inside of the chicken as well. Now we're gonna set this aside, guys, and then we're gonna blend our natural fresh ingredients. So I have some scallion, rosemary, garlic, and some fresh thyme leaf. We're gonna blend all 4 ingredients together and then add it to our chicken. Now for your blended mix, like I said, guys, you're gonna need these ingredients, these 4 ingredients. I have some rosemary, green onion or scallion, thyme, fresh garlic, and about 2 cups of water. Drop it in. Close them up real quick. And we're gonna blend. This nice little herb mix right here is gonna add a nice flavor to your roast baked chicken. You just wanna blend this for a few seconds, not long. Now we're gonna grab our chicken again. Now we're gonna pour our blended herb mixture right on top. And we're gonna let this marinate for about 2 hours, guys. For today's recipe, you're also gonna need a nice sized baking tray. Now we're gonna go ahead and drop our chicken right in. And then we're gonna pour our marinade, that liquid marinade that we just blended, right on top. So after you pour your liquid marinade on top, guys, we're gonna cover it with a foil paper and bake our chicken for 1 hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna toss it in the oven, guys, and right at that 50-minute mark, we're gonna remove it from the oven, take the foil paper off, and then we're gonna turn that oven to boil and let it broil for like 5 minutes. All right, and then we should be good. Stay tuned. All right, guys, like I said, we're at the 50-minute mark right now. This is super hot. Woo! Go ahead and remove your foil paper. At this point, your chicken should already be cooked, you know, nice and soft, you know, juicy. It should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, all right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna toss it back in the oven, broil it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and dark, nice and brown on top, and then we should be good. I'm also gonna add some of that juice and pour it on top, baste it a little bit. All right, time to toss it in the oven. So now we're gonna top it off with a little bit more juice. This is the same juice that we bake, you know, our chicken in, all right? Pour it right on top. Oh yes. And that is it, guys. So this is our finished product right here, our baked chicken. This is a super easy recipe to make, guys. It only take 1 hour. Once you add your seasoning, let it marinate. You could even let this marinate overnight, you know, for better results, all right? Let it bake for 60 minutes, 1 hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you should be good to go. All right, this is it. So right now I'm gonna cut right into it and let you see what's going on. Oh yes, guys, my favorite part of the video, as usual. Wow, guys, this is nicely seasoned. You know, you're tasting every single ingredients in this recipe right here. Perfection right here, guys. Guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Give me a subscribe, guys. The button should be somewhere right here. All right, click this button right here, and we should be good. Thank you. Peace.